This is SOLIDWORKS, an application used for 3D design, engineering, and product development. This guide demonstrates the download and installation process for the student version. Open your browser. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including first name, last name, and email address. Select Student as the user type. Answer the product information section based on whether you have a serial number starting with 9020. Choose the latest available SOLIDWORKS version. Start the download. Open the installer.